Rotronic Measurement Solutions. Rotronic manufactures and develops measuring instruments for monitoring and controlling various parameters like humidity, temperature, water activity, low dew point, CO2, low pressure, differential pressure, as well as flow. In the next few minutes, we are going to take a look at dew point, and particularly low dew point. But what is dew point? In order to explain, we start with the parameter humidity. Air can only absorb a limited amount of water vapor, and once the air is saturated, we speak of 100% relative humidity. The amount absorbed depends on the temperature. With 30 degrees C of warm air, this will be a maximum of 30.4 grams of water vapor per cubic meter. At 3 degrees C, it is only 6 grams of water vapor. And what corresponds to 100% of relative humidity at 3 degrees C corresponds at 30 degrees to only 17.6% relative humidity. If we cool our fully saturated 3 degrees C cool air, it cannot hold the full 6 grams of water vapor. The surplus condenses and turns into dew. Therefore, this is the dew point. Its phase has changed from gaseous to liquid. We see this in everyday life, when, for example, mirrors steam up after showering, or glasses with chilled drinks have condensation on them. So, what is low dew point? At a low dew point, the air contains very few water molecules. These few molecules, the residual moisture, are difficult to measure. But how is the low dew point measured? With the sensitive capacitive thin film measuring procedure. For this procedure, Rotronic has developed an advanced low dew point sensor with the new AirChip 4000 electronics. This determines the low dew point from more than 8,000 individual measuring points. And where is low dew point measured in industry? Almost everywhere. In fact, wherever compressed air is used. In the pharmaceutical industry, the raw materials industry, in the operation of clean rooms, and in production and process technologies. Also in injection molding technology. For every installation, compressed air is distributed through the building from processing through to production. By the way, the lower the desired dew point, the higher the requirements for the compressed air system. Why is low dew point of interest at all? With compressed air systems, for example, there is a concern to protect the significant capital investment. Here, maintenance costs can be lowered and energy costs reduced. In addition, this will ensure a higher lifespan for all the valves and machines. Altogether, the product quality improves. And what equipment is used for measuring the low dew point? With the Rotronic low dew point sensor and its accessories, the measuring chamber and the transmitter with analog outputs. The sensor is also available with an ATEX certificate. It is fully compatible with the proven Rotronic transmitters, handhelds, and HW4 validated monitoring software. As an accredited calibration laboratory, we are equipped to calibrate the low dew point. Trust Rotronic measuring solutions for climatically perfect storage and production processes. Technical specifications for all Rotronic products and services are available online, or request a meeting with an experienced Rotronic engineer.